Everybody. Hi everybody, what's up? I hope everybody's having an awesome day. If you're new, my name's Lori, and today I'm going to be reviewing or comparing about 2 to 3 wigs for you today, and I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts. And before I begin, if you're interested in hair reviews, makeup ideas, and things of that nature, then please consider subscribing to my channel and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $200 to one of my subscribers. Most likely I'll just give it by email, like an email transfer, because I think that will be the best way to do it. But yeah, so without holding everybody up, I'll just get right into the videos. Alright guys, so here is look number 1. She is Talia and she's 12 inches. I'm going to show you the brand right here. It's Sensational and this is what she looks like. She is in DR613 and thankfully she does come in a lot of other several colors, but I got this one at my local beauty supply store and that's the only color that was currently available. But I've tried on blonde wigs before, so I definitely like it and it's a-okay with me. One of the great things about this wig is it's a full cap wig and it does have bangs. It does have the dark roots at the top, and for me it really saves me a lot of time and I don't have to worry about the lace gluing it down or gelling it down or it sliding back and showing up when I'm interacting with people. Like, you know, when I'm outside, I'm really self-conscious about that, and sometimes I just feel like it doesn't look so natural depending on the lace, like the quality of the lace. So that's why I really wanted to try something with a bang. It's more traditional and it's like giving me that Nicki Minaj, Rihanna vibe. So that's why I was like, you know what, this is cool too. Let me try this for a change, because I always do the lace front wigs. And yeah, what else? Yeah, if you're a really busy mom and you're like just on the go and you really truly want a wig that is really low maintenance and it's not going to give you a hard time, just try out something with a bang. Try out something that does not have a lace for a change, and I'm pretty sure that you will save a lot of time and you'll still look cute. Anything else about this wig? Let me think. Yeah, that's about it, other than the fact that it's cute and it doesn't shed, because in my experience the lower or the shorter wigs don't shed. And it's really good because if you want to just, you know, show off your neckline or your shoulders, because it's so short, you'll be able to do that. And yeah, you're not going to have to worry about it tangling or anything like that. So there's a lot of pros to having this type of look. I'm not sure if I can find a link, but I will try and find a link, and if I do, I'll put it down in my description box down below, so if you're interested in getting it, you'll at least know where to go. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go and show you look number 2. Alright guys, so this is the blonde one. I just wanted to move back a little further so you could see it from top to bottom. This one's 18 inches, and I'll turn around so that you can see the back. 2, this is the longer one. Like I said before, it's from the exact same company except it's a little bit longer. This one is 18 inches whereas the other one was 12 inches. Dark roots, exactly the same, and yeah, same colors are available with this one as well. Yeah, I wanted to get the short one and the long one so that I could compare the two and also like wear them like a certain period, wear one a certain period of time and then wear the other one a certain period of time, and so that it doesn't look too different from the other, because I know sometimes you might be a bit self-conscious as to like whether you should change your hair wigs like so often or not. So that way, if you have one that's similar in style, like exactly similar except one's longer than the other, then you could wear one for maybe 2 to 3 weeks and then the other one for like another 2 to 3 weeks, so it doesn't look too different and it looks kind of similar if you want to just consistently be putting out the same image. But me, I just change them up, my hair wigs, whenever, whatever, but I am thinking maybe I should stick to one look or one image for a certain period of time until I move on to the next look. So that's something that you can consider, at least sticking to the same hair color, at the least if you want to maintain a certain look. So I do like this one, but I do want to bear in mind that this one does shed a little bit more than the other. Not too much, but it does shed a little bit more because the longer ones for some reason seem to do that. But I do like it. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, the long one or the shorter one. I would really like to hear from you. But again, this one is really nice. It's giving me that Nicki Minaj, you know, vibe, Rihanna vibe. And it's a more traditional hairstyle, so you won't have those worries with the lace issues, and it's super convenient. So that's another reason why I do like it as well. What else can I say? Yeah, I'll try and link down below, right, to see if I can link this one as well. If you're not really into the whole blonde look, and you want something that's a little bit more of your hair color, something that's more brown, then I will show you a third look, which is the one that I am currently rocking. It's a little bit different to what I'm wearing now, so I'm gonna just get it and I'm gonna try it on right now. Regular, all of them have like this style inside with these like the straps, and it has this little comb here, which I don't use, and quite frankly I think I'm just gonna like remove because I don't want it to snag on my hair. But I don't use them, but they all have this similar type of construction happening. So this is what it is. This is the it's 1B30. This one's 1B30, and I'll show you which company this one comes in. This one has a bit of a different texture. It has more of a like I would say kinky, yaki, no, like it has more of like a yaki texture to it. So it's not as silky as the other two. Yeah, so this is the one that I'm wearing right now. I do like it. My son told me that I look like Dora, but I don't look like Dora with the other two, but that's okay. I'm fine with it. Again, it's giving me the Rihanna, Nicki Minaj vibes, or even like maybe Tyra Banks. So it's all good with me. And so yeah, this is the company, like this is the one where it is. I don't have, oh yeah, it's Hair Topic. And okay, here's the actual ticket. It's Hair Topic, and this is what she looks like. Yeah, so Hair Topic, it's F430, not 1B30. It's F430. It feels like human hair. And you could curl this one up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's Mega Bob F430. So yeah, this is the one that I'm wearing right now, and I think it comes in other colors. It has a whole bunch of colors like right here. The color that I wanted was not available, so this is what I chose, and it has like a bob style like so. Okay guys, so I always say this when you're wearing these wigs, it's best if you can to cane roll your hair or braid down your hair, plait it really small, so that when you do put on the wig that it looks seamless and there's no bumpiness or anything underneath. And the purpose for me is for practicality, but it's also as a protective hairstyle, so I can grow out my hair, which is my goal. And I always moisturize my hair underneath. Like every day I'll like rub some leave-in conditioner, or I'll put some oil on my hairline, or I'll spray something to make sure that I do keep my real hair underneath properly cared for, properly moisturized. I'll even just shampoo my hair while it's like this, and just like and condition and let it air dry, and just rebraid it like maybe every 4 to 6 weeks. But that's what I plan on doing, and retaining more length hopefully that way, and incorporating several different protective hairstyles like these wigs. So yeah, so I just want to share you guys my thoughts, let you know what wigs I've been rocking, and hopefully I will try and put the link down below if I can find these somewhere where you can purchase online. If I do, it'll be in the description box down below. But thank you again. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna wrap it up. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in hearing more from me. And all right guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care. Bye.